Walking into the kitchen area. Eat-in kitchen. You could put a dining room table over there. You can see the pantry there is really big. I'll go in there in a minute. And the garage access and laundry room. And a glimpse of the outside patio and yard. So here's the pantry. Nice big pantry. And the laundry room.